does a fast one and done dressing sound to you? Coming up next, we're going to do a different take on a creamy based dressing using Greek yogurt to lighten things up. We're making a cilantro lime dressing. This is going to do amazing things with your food. It tastes delicious, guys. For the recipe, head over to kcknh.com. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. So this dressing can be a one and done. Get a high-powered blender. You're going to toss everything in, and you're going to be done with this so fast. The beauty of this is we're using regular ingredients. There's nothing funky, special requirement, special order. We're going to take this together, and honest to God, I could have drank this. It was so good. So let's take a look at how fast you can make this. So you need a high-powered blender and collect the lime zest, juice, vinegar, garlic, half the red onion, and you chop cilantro. So you're going to puree this and put it into a bowl that has the other half of the red onion that you finally chopped. Once pureed, get it into your bowl and add your Greek yogurt to that same mixing bowl and combine with a whisk. You're going to get that same awesome tangy reaction that you would if you used sour cream and mayonnaise. So at this point, hit it with your salt, pepper, and cane sugar. You can use regular sugar. I prefer cane sugar myself. So make sure that you mix this very good, guys, and taste test it. See if you want to add more seasoning, because you're going to be in control of that. And one of the things I like to see is just how thick this is going to be, because I don't want this being heavy coated. And as you can see, this is a nice light dressing. It's not going anywhere and it's not too thin. Look at the color of this, folks. It's amazing. And this is definitely something that'll work with pupusa, tacos. You want to dip this with vegetables, roasted meats. You can use it right away or refrigerate it at least 2 hours before serving. And I have to tell you, if you check out this next plate, we did up pupusas the other day with curtido, salsa fresca con calabacita, and we had some shredded lettuce on the side with grilled steak. And this was mind-blowing. So easy to make and wicked cheap too. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this and I hope you enjoy it.